Today, I'd like to introduce to you the ContiMix 2.0. The ContiMix 2.0 is a very versatile continuous asphalt mixing plant. It differs from the traditional continuous mixing plants, and as we can see here today, I'll show you, we can see that we have a vertical integration here where we separate the drying process and the mixing process. The advantages of being able to do that is that we also can capture the ramp up and the ramp down waste material from a traditional process. When we pull these two products together, we can store them in this little silo down here that I can show you. And from that silo, we're able to reuse that product during the production process. Where other asphalt plants in continuous operation may lose hundreds, maybe thousands of tons of waste products per year, the ContiMix 2.0 solves that issue. Furthermore, when we have this type of plant, we have additional things for sustainability. We can introduce RAH 50 dryer to improve wrap capacity. We also have RAH 60 capability and RAH 100 capabilities. Anything we want to add to this plant, we can. So we get the best of both worlds of having batch and continuous processes put together to have a real genuine, no waste, continuous asphalt plant. Okay, so follow me and we'll have a look at some of the options that are available with ContiMix 2.0. As we can see, Ammann foaming for those low temperature asphalts and good working and coatability of the stones. The cold wrap addition where we can go up to 30–35% of cold wrap addition under certain conditions. Our Series 2 generation of the RAH 50 dryer is also an option for the plant. RAH 60 and also RAH 100 options are available for those that want to do hot wrap additions. Capacity, we can go from 140 to 300 tonnes per hour, and we have the capacity of 35 to 340 tonnes. We also can go with the hot storage capability from 100 to 500 tonnes, which makes all of these options customizable to any flexibility or any site situation for someone that wants continuous technology.